the fuck are you guys doing today? So today, by the title of this video, you can tell we got the Milwaukee 1-inch M18 cordless impact, A.K.A Mandingo. Okay, because this thing, it's bigger than Big Dick Banana Hammock, and it's bigger than Super Big Dick Banana Hammock, okay? So I thought I'd just take this video to kind of run through the features, and then maybe in the next upcoming videos, we're going to show this thing in action and see what we got. But just want to show you guys kind of some of the features about this thing and kind of run through it. So, this is the box it came in. The part number is 2867-22, so that means it came with a charger and two 8 amp hour high capacity batteries. I don't know what that, I'm not a really battery expert. I think these are like the newest one. They're extra high capacity. It's supposed to be more power. Just what we need is more power, okay? This thing is 1,800 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque for, you know what I'm saying, a 1-inch impact. That's pretty comparable. Most of them are, you can buy some that have 3,000 foot-pounds. I think for a 1-inch, that's an Air one. That's kind of overkill. It is 7 pounds lighter. It only weighs 12.9 pounds, and let me tell you, the thing is pretty fucking sweet. So there's the box right there. Alright, it comes in this pretty cool tool bag. I like these tool bags over the blow molded cases. I don't know how you guys feel about it, but it comes in this nice tool bag here. I really wish we could get pack out boxes, you know, for these things. Maybe in the future. We can all hope and pray. But we got that. It comes with a regular charger, the rapid charger, you know, so we got plenty of those. We got 2 batteries, one on the tool, one not on the tool. So this thing is pretty beefy. What it was originally designed for, it's designed for bolts that are 1 inch to 1.75 inches. That means bolt diameter, not head diameter. So this means it'll take off up to, I think, like 2.25. I bet it would take off 2.25 bolts, no problem. It comes with this lanyard here, so in case you want to wear it like Flavor Flav, you know, you can strap this on a lanyard. I'm going to tell you, I'm taking that off, gone. I had a guy on Instagram ask if the handle is removable. The answer is yes. It came in the, hold on here, it's kind of got these detents. You can take the handle off. You can be a left-hander running it. You can be a right-hander running it. Kind of no big deal. You can, this can go out. You can see here, this can go out, can go in. You can lock it in any position. And it's got pretty good detents. Now, this is also one key, because I do believe with the 2 batteries and the charger, this is $999. So, you know, a little pricey out there, but how much is a compressor to run a 1-inch impact? You'd have way more than that in there. So it's one key. It has 4 different power levels. So we gotta see what those power levels are. See if we can go in here, because I have a feeling. All right. Let's see here. Alrighty, so it's just basically, it's a mode range and it gives you RPMs. So the first mode is only 1,000 RPMs. You can tell that's for the light work. Alright, number 2 goes up to 1,100. Mode 3, that is 1,400 RPM. And level 4 that we're all going to be running it on, A.K.A Lexington Steel, okay, is 1,650. All right, now I can tell you just by running this motor, this thing is kind of torquey, AKA a wrist breaker. You might want to keep the apprentices or young boys away from this tool, okay? This is a man's tool, and what I mean by that is you have to have hair on your chest and preferably half your ass crack hanging out to own one of these things. So if you guys are not ready for that, you're going to need that. But I can't wait to try this thing. I think that for what it's originally designed for, this thing is going to be awesome. I know a lot of people are probably not going to, they're going to use it for tire service, and you're going to want to see me use it for tire service. I'll use that a little bit later. I think I'm going to take some tires off next door, some backhoe tires and stuff like that. We'll find some big bolts and really find out the limit of this big bastard. Alrighty, but that is Mandingo. I just kind of wanted to run over the features with you guys. The next video that I shoot with this, we're obviously going to be using it. We're going to try this thing out. You're probably going to see it in a lot of the backgrounds of the videos if I have stuff that we can obviously work on this. It also has one key so you can torque control. Now, as Justin, I don't really use the one key that much because I like shit just fucking, you know, I pretty much know what 450 foot-pounds is, but, you know, I can hear it in my ears. It's how hard you hit that aluminum rim and you're good, or how hard you hit the bolt, you know, when it's good tight. But can't wait to try this motherfucker out. I am super excited. I know you guys are super excited that I got one, but I just wanted to kind of show you it and say that they are shipping now. So, like always, check out Justin Sturgill Trucking, Instagram, Facebook, all that bullshit. Patreon account if you want to throw $1 in a month. Check out the Amazon store and check out Justin Sturgill Trucking. We got stickers, hats, fucking all the shit. And like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.